Okay. So maybe we'll see this problem. A single phase 440 volt bar 50 hertz transformer takes a no load current of 5 amperes at point 2 power factor lagging. The secondary supplies a current of 120 amperes at a power factor of 0.8 lagging to load. Find I1 power factor at primary. Also draw the phasor diagram. So from the question, one thing is given 440 bar 110. I told you how to read this 440 bar 110. For what is 440?
Primary.
Primary
Primary
voltage.
voltage, or I can say V1 is 440 and V2 is 110, or E1 is 440, E2 is 110. Okay, and 50 hertz is your frequency. What is no load current? 5 amperes.
I
What is
not.
no load current? I naught. And what is 0.2 power factor?
Capacitance.
Uh-huh. 0.2 power factor. It's not picofarad. It is 0.2 power factor. See, it is no load current power factor. So it has to be cos phi naught. I naught and phi naught, we drawn the diagram, right? I naught and phi naught. So this cos phi naught value is given. See here. So cos phi naught is 0.2. So from that we can find phi naught. Okay. And see the second line. Secondary supplies a current of 120 amperes at a power factor of 0.8 lagging to load. So secondary power factor is 0.8. Secondary notation is phi 2, right? So cos phi 2 is given as 0.8. And secondary is, they say secondary is lagging to the load. So they are asking us to find all the primary parameters. So with the given thing, immediately I can find the phase angles. So see here, 0.2 power factor is for the no load current. So cos phi naught is 0.2. So phi naught is going to be cos inverse 0.2. It's going to be 78.46 degrees. Okay. And secondary side power factor, you see power factor is 0.8. So cos phi 2 is 0.8. Phi 2 is going to be cos inverse of 0.8. It's going to be 36.87 degrees. Now find the turns ratio. Turns ratio K, you know, it is V2 by V1. So V2 is 110. V1 is 440. So it is 1 by 4. So turns ratio is 1 by 4. And we know the I1 dash expression as per the formula which you have derived for the phasor diagram. I1 dash is K into I2. K is 1 by 4. I2 is 120. So if you find I1 dash is K into I2, 1 by 4 into 120, 30 amperes. And it is given, it is all the no load current. See, no load current is lagging. So if no load current is lagging, then this current will also be lagging. So for lagging means you will put a minus sign. It is 36.87 degrees. And see here, they have given it is lagging both. So lagging means you'll put a minus sign. So now you can find the total current, primary current I1 equal to I1 dash plus I naught. I1 dash we have found just now. It is I1 30 angle minus 36.87 plus no load current 5 angle minus 78.46. So add both. I told you when you're having polar notation, you cannot add. You cannot add them directly. So you have to convert them into complex number form, add them, and again convert them into polar form. I told you in the beginning itself, this polar form is suitable only for multiplication and division. It is not suitable for addition and subtraction. If you are doing addition and subtraction using polar form, you have to convert the polar form into imaginary form, add everything in imaginary form, again convert imaginary form into polar form. So by that, if you do, you get the answer as 33.9 angle minus 42.49. So minus indicates lagging. And if you find the power factor, cos 42.49, or you get 0.737 lagging power factor. So this should be your phasor diagram. And phasor diagram, I'm not going to explain because I told you how to draw it. So you draw the phasor diagram and understand. Or you try drawing the phasor diagram. If you have any difficulties, please let me know. Okay. See, the primary current, they told the secondary supplies a current 0.8 lagging to the load. So that is going to be the power factor for your primary. You should not take the minus 78.46 as the angle for the primary current I1 dash, because that is only for the no load current. And they are told that secondary is going to supply a current which is lagging. So that component only you should take it as the power factor angle for your I1 dash. Okay. So this 0.2 power factor is only for no load current, and 0.8 is going to be the power factor which you should consider for the current I1 dash. Any doubt in this problem?
Sir.